While there are some great ChatGPT Chrome extensions already available on the internet, what if you want to use the new Bing AI chatbot and compose feature on your Chromebook? Well, Microsoft has restricted the Bing AI chatbot only to its in-house Edge browser. So there is no way other than sideloading Edge on Chrome OS if you want to use the new AI-powered Bing on your Chromebook. So to make things easier for you, we have come up with two different methods to access the ChatGPT-powered Bing on your Chromebook. On that note, let's jump to the steps. Use Bing AI Search on your Chromebook, 2023. Use the new Bing on a Chromebook, Play Store support required. To use the new Bing on your Chromebook, you can install the Bing Search app on your Chromebook. However, you will need Play Store support on your Chromebook, see step number 1. And you must have access to the new Bing AI chatbot to use the feature. The best part about this solution is that the Bing Android app allows you to search via voice input. So you can use Microsoft's ChatGPT alternative as a voice assistant as well. With that said, here are the steps to follow. 1. Open the Play Store on your Chromebook and install the Bing Search free app. 2. Now, open the app and click Sign in and join. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. 3. Finally, click on the Bing icon at the bottom center. If the button does not respond, close the app and open it again. 4. Now, click on Phone at the top and choose Resizable. This will allow you to resize the window to your preference. 5. After that, click on the Maximize button to make the window full screen. Now, you can quickly type and even click on the microphone for voice search. 6. Here is the new Bing in action on our Chromebook.